Hello, my name is Oscar Hurtado. In my present is the poster is the impact of livestock. Although in my opinion, although it followed the protagonist of several interviews with people of the way of another the full industry environmental associations. He raises the issue of the meat of the contaminate for the livestock for the game. The interview the comes some previous of the responsible of the people and the 100 in the economy. 100 persons on you come in 40 for tell me the causes of environmental and consumations of meat in general and animals. Large amounts of water the fertile soil are necessary of to feed livestock to grow grains. According to the documentary, is he raising things and he raising of the coming 30 very association of the consuming to the fertilizants for the 50 percentage the presence of the coming and in general the contamination in the your animals. To agree the crow, for example, in the crow, in the necessary is very important the consumption of the car of the meat. Second 40 you very important in general and the person percentage for the other regions of the world. Later in favor, in simple to give Brian and stay with some prices in the one some of the brain interview that comes to say something like that of the NGOs, special of the on the specialization for the coming in the contamination of the meals in general and the animals, for example, the crow. Because it is highly of the my opinion is because for the nine saints facilitations for the cow in the necessary in the very important some and the animals and the NGOs is an institution for the facilitation verification of the consumations of the meat. The animals is very important in the consumption of the meat. In my opinion, is the documental is very important and very good, excellent. My facilitation in very so much. Thank you for today. The poster is consist in the and you crow is very important in the documentary and the general in the actuality. And the capital is in the comic for the person you can depend socialists of the cane and crow in general the animals and contamination very good the crow and the James the person 40 you contamination in my opinion afford the you coming and more participations in the we are the victims the bad in the opinion as the according to the documentary in the actually in general the animals. Thank you so much. Bye.